In today's video, I'll show you on how you can set up VoiceMeeter Banana the simplest way. First things first, you want to download the VoiceMeeter from the official website, and from there you then want to open up the application. The first thing that you want to do inside this application is to click on menu, and you want to make sure to enable the system tray option and the run on Windows startup. Turning this on will enable us to make sure that we don't close our VoiceMeeter accidentally, and it also opens up right after opening up our computer. From there, we then want to head over to the sound settings of our Windows computer. Click on the sound control panel, and basically you want to make the VoiceMeeter the default audio playback and recording. So you just want to select the VoiceMeeter input right here, click on set default, and you could do the same thing for the recording option. I'll click on the VoiceMeeter out B1, which is going to be the main recording right here. Click on set default, and from there we are now ready to customize our settings right here. Inside this page, we have a few settings that we must change. Once again, the first thing is going to be our main microphone. So in my case, I only have two right here, and the main that I use is going to be the microphone USB condenser microphone. Now we also have another one, which is to select the hardware output, which is going to be our main speaker. So once again, I have my main speaker selected right here. Now from there, we have these two options to simply customize. The first one is going to be the audibility. This basically means that on what range your microphone will pick up the noise. So you just want to test this around maybe 1, 2 to see if that cancels out noise. Now from there, we also have the voice options right here. Now, if you want your voice to be some low pitch, you just want to drag it into this space right here. But as you can see, if I drag it around this box, you will then notice the voice effect change on live right here. Now, we also have two additional buttons. The first one is going to be hearing yourself, and the second one is going to be hearing for the computer. Basically, if you turn the A letter on, you will be able to hear yourself. This is good if you're testing out VoiceMeeter. And B is making sure that you are not muted on your microphone. You always want to leave this on, making sure that we are able to send microphone or input into our computer. You have your mono button, you have your S, and you have your mute. You can do the same thing for this one. You just want to make sure that both of this are turned on, and then you have your gain right here. If you turn this above, it will then raise the audio of your microphone, and basically that's it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.